the all-new 2024 Jayco Comet 18C. How's it going, folks? I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. And I have to tell you, I'm really impressed with this little RV. She's a little under 18 feet, and it's fully self-contained. You can take a road trip in this, park yourself in the tightest spot you can imagine, and be fine. There are no slides. She's not very big. You've got an AC on the roof, so this is fully contained. We're on this side of it right now, which is the driver's side. She's built on a ProMaster 1500 chassis, so that'll tow about 3,500 pounds. She also has the 3.6 liter V6 engine, so plenty of power. I believe it's about 265 horsepower in this, so she'll get up and scoot. Along with that, you've got some really good handling features on this. You've got the Hellwig helper springs back here. You've got the rubber joust bumpers. While you're down there, I also happen to notice that this is a good place for your black water hose. So it's, that's one of the things that a lot of people don't think about is, oh crap, where am I going to put this now, right? So handles really well on the road. I did drive it, really impressed with it. You wouldn't believe what's inside of here, okay? But first, let's go over to the driver's side. Take a look inside here. So you've got easy access to get in. Obviously, door opens up far. You've got a little phone charger right here. You just stick that right in here and you're good to go. You do have the Android CarPlay on this. You can see you've got a full navigation screen. You have a couple of USB ports. You have a 12-volt outlet here as well. All the amenities you expect on a modern vehicle. So that's nice, right? Real easy to get in and out of, all your intuitive radio controls, everything you'd need. That's the front of it. So let's go around to the back. I want to show you something that I think is pretty impressive. Check this out. So this is your shower and wet bath. Again, a little under 18 feet. You've got your shower back here. Obviously, this is waterproof. Bathroom. As you look through, you'll notice you can see this drop-down TV right up in here. That's a pretty big TV for a unit this size. You have your fantastic vent right above it, and right behind that you have your AC to the right. You've got a 12-volt fridge. She does have a 2,800-watt inverter inside, and she also has a 2,800-watt generator and a 1,000-watt inverter. Powers that 12-volt fridge. You obviously have a microwave up there as well. Come on around, I'm not done yet. Take a look at this. So this is in the sleeping configuration right now. I'm 6'1", did not see this feature coming. So the bed is set up here, okay? Again, I'm 6'1", take a look at this. This blew my mind. I can sleep in this. And if I want to leave the door open, I do have the screens here, which is nice. So if I want to leave these screens closed, put the door open, there's a magnet here. These magnets will touch, as you can see. Of course, you got to zip the top of it up, but these magnets will touch. So you can literally have the door open. If you want a nice breeze, you can sleep here. There's a lot more that I can show you. She has a sink, plenty of storage. You got to come down and see this. This is why. Right now, only through Worldwide RV, I put the price on the window. $89,741. Again, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Come down and check this out. Take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching.